Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be continuing on yet again with my Football World Cup flag series. So today we're doing Egypt. So excited, so looking forward to it. Okay, so to start off with, as you can see, it is red, white and black, and it has like a symbol in the middle. Most of the time it does look golden, like a bronze gold, and then you go to other flags on here on Google and it's yellow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to incorporate like a gold and yellow. I'm actually so looking forward to this. I was kind of thinking as well along the lines of, should I kind of make it a wee bit more like Egyptian looking, kind of like a Cleopatra new era. I think what I'm going to do is just going to do what I done the past two tutorials. I'm going to go off camera now and do this eye and do my eyebrows, etc. And I'm going to show you guys how I do this eye and the rest of my face makeup. Alrighty, okay, so this is basically what we have for now. So the first thing I did was I just went in with the Jaclyn eyeshadow palette. I already have a base laid down and it is the Helen É eyeshadow priming base, and I'm just taking this black shade. I'm just taking that just on like a pencil brush. What is this brush even called? A small pencil brush. So this is actually one of the bits in this eye makeup look that I kind of noticed that I want to take your time with this. So for now what I'm doing is, obviously, as you can see, I'm just packing it on just in that rounded shape. So I would usually do this anyway with just like a normal blending brush, but the reason I'm using a smaller pencil brush with this today is because I want it to be more like defined, if that makes sense. Okay, so I kind of just done like that wee bit of a rough guide. This is a precise blending brush. So I'm actually just going to start blending on the actual black and then gradually blending out the edges, because black scares me. Black scares me quite a lot, especially whenever I'm blending out on a base that isn't set, because it could just go patchy so quick. As you can see, like that is blending out quite a bit, which is good, but sometimes it's like, okay, calm down, calm down. I'm just going to take a bigger brush and just go over on top of that black. Do you know, there's probably easier ways to do this, but this is just how I'm doing it. I'm not really treating this as a tutorial. I'm just like, yeah, just watch me do this. Watch me struggle. So then what I done was I took the Kiko eyeshadow in the shade 19, and I don't know why I did it, but I just placed this just in at my inner corner, just up at my brow bone, just kind of like at your nose contoured area. That makes sense? Like, you know, the way you would like contour your nose here. I'm just going to cut the crease, and I'm just going to go back into the Helen É Stage Eyeshadow Primer, and then I'm just going to take a wee bit of this just on my hand and then just apply it using a flat top concealer brush. So now for the gold stuff. The gold strip, let's just call it. So to do that I used the Makeup Edition Cosmetics 24 karat glitter, and to apply that I used the Helen É Cosmetics Clear Shine Gel. I applied the clear gel to my eye first, and then I went on to this. I'm just basically where I've cut my crease. I'm just going to place this down. And the good thing about this is the fact that it's going to hide that like really dirty looking area. Okay, so what I've done is I've basically just poured some of the glitter just like into the lid. So I just want to place that clear gel. So I'm just going to bring it right out as well because I'm going to clean that up anyway. Now I'm just going to do my winged liner and I'm just going to use the NYX matte liner. I'm just going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette once more. I'm going to take this black shade and I'm just going to use this to set and blend out that liner. I have a shocking amount of makeup on my face right now. So I just saw my lips before I came back on camera again. I just used the Colourpop matte liquid lip in this in the shade Succulent. So I think I'm just going to do a wee bit more graphic liner. I'm kind of hoping that you can kind of see the resemblance of the Egypt flag and the Egypt colours, but I'm kind of wanting to resemble also kind of like the cat eye effect, like Egyptian makeup as well. I don't actually know if I've ever done like a cat eye look on my channel before. I don't know. There's always a first for something. Oh, I think I brought it out too much. Oh fuck. Ooh. I think I'm just going to use black on my lower lash line and then I'm going to try to incorporate this somewhere. I don't even think this gold shade is going to work at all as to where I want it to go. I honestly don't know whether I should do something else or just leave it as it is. So I'm just going to take the lipstick that I'm wearing today. So this is the completed makeup look. Just zoom in a wee bit so you can see a wee bit closer. So this is the Egyptian flag. As I was saying earlier, that there's a wee symbol in the middle. Sometimes it's gold, sometimes it's yellow, as I can see here. So I kind of like incorporate it more gold, to be honest. Yeah, I just thought gold would have just went better with the entire makeup look and just kind of like juiced up a wee bit. Okay, so everybody, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter, and I hope to see you guys on my next video.